Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. This is my vlog 2. If you haven't watched my previous video, just like after watching this video you can watch that too. And it's around like 12:18 and the date is 27 11 2019. I'm like I'm about to remove this makeup and gonna edit my previous video that you guys have already seen it or not. After this you can, and then going to sleep, and we'll show you a lot more tomorrow whatever gonna happen. So these are my stuff. I'm done with them, and now I'm going to put it back in the cupboard. So it's around 9:16 and I have to wake up. Let's do it. So it's morning. It's time to brush my teeth, and I use like bamboo brush to avoid plastic pollution or to reduce plastic pollution. You guys can also use it. I will be like giving you a link in the description box and you can purchase it. So after drinking this hot water, I have to water my plants. Let me show you. So there is a dead bee, so I'm just gonna put it and put it here. Now it's 9:53 and I'm having my breakfast, tea, फिर अंडे की भुजिया. So I'm decluttering my cupboard so I can put this somewhere. So guys, here we have a very big issue that where we gonna put our winter clothes. So we are just try to like taking out all our useless clothes that we not gonna wear anymore. So we are just doing that, and it's gonna take so much time. So there's like 1 2 3 and this big guy too. So see, and now it's 10:17. So बस अभी इतना ही हुआ है, and I'm left with these. Yeah, look what I found. I found the new pop socket. So the future is female. I place with this one. Yay. So my D shooting for the TikTok, and I'm just like this. And let me show you the update, my room update. So these are the clothes that I'm not going to wear anymore. So separate. There's a bomber jacket, so I'm gonna put in the bed. And the bed is looking something like this. Some of them are going to be there, and yeah, like I have to manage this, and she's still doing this. So now it's 1:47 and I'm drinking tea, and I'm almost done with my room. See, my दी मेकिंग आलू पकौड़ा, और अब मुझे टेस्ट भी करना है. नमक करो. So my room is shuttered now, so I put all my winter clothes like here, and some of them are in this one. So I'm done with my video editing. Now I am going to do some study for my exam. Guys, I'm about to edit like end this vlog so I can edit it, and do let me know about this video. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and thank you for watching if I didn't say that. So like good night, bye. And this is my favorite lip balm. It's from Wadi.